Hello and welcome to another tutorial session with Chief Thoughts. I'm happy to have you here, and in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to create and use labels in Trello. Stay tuned to the end to get the full gist. Alright, labels in Trello help you to organize, categorize, and filter your cards quickly, whether you're managing tasks, whether you're planning content, or running a project. Labels make everything easier and visually clearer for you. It makes it easier to track. So I'm going to head over to show you how to simply create and use labels in Trello. So first of all, we would simply log into our Trello application. I would assume you've already created your Trello account at this point. All right, and then we'll head over to our preferred board that we'll be making use of. For me, I would be using my team. Or this is a board I had already created before now. So to create and use labels in Trello, we'll simply head over to the three dotted lines at the top right corner over here. Click on that and then navigate down to labels. You can see that we have a list of options here, but what we want to specifically do in this video is create and use labels. So I'll click on labels, and as you can see, I have a variety of options. I have different colors to work with, and then I'll just first of all click on create a new label, and then I'll tag my label. Let's say I want to type in groceries, and then I have a variety of colors to pick. I can either choose purple, lemon, pink, blue, whichever color I want to work with, and then I'll click on create, and my label is created, as you can see here on your screen. So this is a simple way you can create label. I'll just go ahead to close that tab. So my label is created. If I want to edit that label, I will come here to my card and click on edit card, and then choose the option edit label. As you can see, my label is here. I can choose to enable color blind friendly mode or disable that. You can see, all right, or I can choose to click on edit, change the color, save, delete, or remove the color. So these are different ways that you can create and use labels in Trello. So thank you very much for joining this video, for watching this video to this point. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope you will try out what you've learned in this video today. Have a great day. Bye.